that's all my life, yeah, God, I'm living. Okay, I'm done with this music, down I'm feeling. I got niggas from kick.
So as y'all can see by the title, y'all, we is finna try to take this dent out of the car, bro. Everybody says easy. Everybody recommend me doing it. So I'm finna go ahead and give it a try. Cause I'm tired of riding around with this dent. As y'all can see, man, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Oh, key not working. I gotta find my main key too. Hold up. Turn this out on, pull up in the garage. Finna go ahead and see if we can take this dent off. This shit bothering the fuck out. Y'all can see, this is the dent, y'all. We finna try to see if we can pull it out. You know, so hopefully we can. It really is pretty like a, that's a big dent for real, some shit, but we're gonna see if we can pull it out or whatever. Okay, y'all, jack the carb and everything. I bit down the fender line and like, I had tried to bend it by myself just now and that shit like, it actually kind of bent, so maybe the hot water would make it easier. I'm gonna try to prop the foam up and show y'all me popping the dent out. And yeah, so hopefully, I think it's gonna be hard to get them little dents out, like them little small ones, but I know for sure the big dent probably come out, so I'm gonna put this hot water on it and hope for the best. Boy. Shit, that shit hot. Whoa. That shit hard. It's trying to pull up, but that shit hard.
Remember days at Crystal Ray, yeah, we was laughing, we was stacking.
So y'all, we did not get it out, but we did get some of it out. It's not as bad as it was. I tried, but that's the best I could have got. Like I said, these little smaller dents, I think that's gonna be hard to get. All my clips on my fender wall, all that shit gone, so I'm gonna have to replace everything, all that. So y'all just bear with me, man. We're gonna get the car right, bro. But maybe if I had somebody that's a little bit stronger, whatever, they probably can pull it out for me. But it does look better. Still bad, but it looks better than what it was. So yeah.
Fuck me up to see your mama up in tears, no. Wish you had seen it and had time to grab the steel. Remember days at Crystal Ray, yeah, we was laughing, we was stacking. Wish I could take it back so I could hear you say you love me. It's a shame I rather